Hi, welcome back to How to Tech Well. Uploading a video to YouTube is super easy. So to start off with, go to your YouTube channel homepage and then click on this button up here, which is like a little camcorder with a plus in it, and click upload video. So it says select files to upload or drag and drop videos. So I'm going to just drag and drop my video. Here's my video here from my folder, and I just click on it and pull it across and then drop it on that screen and it'll begin to upload. If you do it the other way, it just goes through kind of the navigation folders and you have to select it manually and then click open. So you've got this little whirry thing going around here, and then it says uploading in this bar. And so if you look up there, it says there's about 16 minutes remaining. It's worth bearing in mind that bigger files take a lot longer to load, and also depending on your bandwidth. Obviously, the faster your internet connection, the quicker they're going to upload. This one's only quite short though, so it's only going to take about 18 minutes. I find this guide really useful because it's important that you don't let your computer go into standby mode during this time, otherwise it will pause the upload, which can be really frustrating when you've been waiting for ages and you're expecting it to be uploaded by a certain time and you come back to it and it's stopped halfway through. So you probably noticed that these boxes already have some information in. This is because in my YouTube upload settings I have a template already set up, which is a really great idea to add a template if you're uploading often. It saves a lot of time, which I can show you how to do in another video. Let me know down below if you'd like to see that. At the top box is the title, so write your title in there. The second box is your description. So it's a good idea to explain a little bit about your video and what it's going to show people. Now the third box is really important because these are your tag words, and so these are the words that people search to find your video. So it's a really good idea to spend a little bit of time thinking about these and what the top search phrases and words are that people are going to be using so that they can come across your video as easily as possible. So while this is uploading, I'm going to add a little bit more to my description. I'll probably change my title to capital letters, and then I'm going to add lots more tag words as well. Then on the right hand side down here, it gives you a few more options as to what's going to happen to your video once it's uploaded. So this bit here gives you the option of having your video listed publicly, unlisted, private or scheduled. At the moment mine's listed as public, which means once it's uploaded anyone and everyone can see and view and watch my video. So scheduled is a really good one to use. That means you can schedule it for a specific time or day that you want the video to go live. So that's really handy if you kind of want to do some videos in advance of the time you actually want to post them. So I'm just going to keep mine on public. Private means that only you can see the video, no one else can see it or search for it. And unlisted means it's there and people can see it, but it's not gonna appear in searches. So you can pick whichever one is most suited to what you need. So down here, if your account is linked to Twitter, you can post a link to your video on Twitter as soon as it uploads. That's really good if you want all your Twitter followers to know that you've uploaded a new video. And then this one, you can add it to one of your playlists. So I'm going to click on that and then select this one, which is my easy YouTube tutorials. So I'm going to add it to that playlist, which helps people to find similar videos that they might be interested in. Now down here is a very important part to do with adding a thumbnail, and I'll show you this once the video has finished uploading. So now the video has finished processing. Up here it says processing done. This button here has now turned to publish, and underneath it says draft saved. But before you click this button, there's one more thing you need to do, and that's down at the bottom, and that is selecting a thumbnail. So YouTube automatically selects 3 thumbnails for you, which you can use if you want to, and these are just screen grabs from the video you've uploaded, so they could be pretty random. But if you want a quick thumbnail, you can just click on one of those and that's done. But you can also upload your own thumbnail. So you click on that and this window opens up, so you navigate to where you've saved your thumbnail, mine's this one, and then you click on open. And that loads your thumbnail. Now that's loaded, it might say saving changes again up here, and sometimes it will come up with little errors saying you have too many tag words, or your description's too long, or the file size is too big, or something like that. So check everything's fine and it's just left with draft saved, or sometimes it says all changes have been saved. And at that point, when everything is right and correct and you've checked everything and it's exactly how you want it, you can click publish. and it's done. And your video has been uploaded to YouTube, and because mine's on public, it's now live and everyone can search for it and view it and watch it, and all is good. And then this here is the link that you can use if you want to share it onto other platforms. It gives you share, embed and email. So they are all good tools to use if you want to share your video around and get lots of people to watch it. If you realise you've forgotten to do something, you can click this button here, which is return to editing, and that takes you back to the screen. So say I took out a tag word, so I just take it out and then click save changes again, and then it will be updated. Sometimes YouTube can take a couple of days to update the video once you've changed something, so just bear that in mind. But it can be instant, but it can also take a little while. And then on this side, it says your video will be live at this address, so you can click on that, and there's your video, so you can like it, comment on it, share it around. But there it is on YouTube, all uploaded and ready to go. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to give this video a massive thumbs up if it helped you, and leave a comment in the box below if there's anything else you'd like to learn. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day!